We are on the way and the board says that Gulmarg is 47 kilometers.
यहाँ का मैंने मौसम फ्री मन के करवाऊंगा क्लोन।
Welcome to Kunzar. We have reached Kunzar town and यहाँ से टंगमर्ग हमें almost 1 घंटा लगेगा. The advantage of being on a cycle, you don't get asked anything, rather you get saluted.
Sorry guys, we can't describe what we are witnessing and what we are experiencing right
I'll just show you guys, but आप ना वो feel नहीं कर पाओगे जो हम अभी feel कर रहे हैं.
Good morning and I just woke up और आज की राइड बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है. बट राइड से पहले आई नीड सम कॉफ़ी, सो लेट्स गो मेक सम कॉफ़ी. दिस इज द बेस्ट कॉफ़ी. आज की जो राइड है थोड़ी डिफिकल्ट रहने वाली है, बट वी आर गोना मेक इट. ओके, सो अब मॉर्निंग कॉफ़ी ने मुझे हिट कर दिया. नाउ कम्स द पार्ट वेयर आई टेल यू अबाउट द राइड. एंड आज की राइड थोड़ी सी चैलेंजिंग भी है बिकॉज वी आर प्लानिंग एन इन एंड आउट ऑफ दैट प्लेस. ये लास्ट वीक से हम प्लान कर रहे थे बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट कुडंट हैपन. एंड फाइनली टुडे वी गेट टू गो टू दिस प्लेस. And as you all know that the place that I am going to बहुत ज़्यादा टूरिस्टी है, but due to the recent unfortunate events वहाँ आज ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं होगी. But our plan is कि हम यहाँ से श्रीनगर से वहाँ पे राइड करके जाएं और वहाँ से वापस आएं. And to show you guys that it's actually possible to go on your cycle and come back at the same time. So yeah, let's go. The weather so far looks good. I hope कि weather conditions ऐसी ही रहे and this way we'll not get tired because it's cloudy. मैंने अपना raincoat already उठा लिया है, but yep, let's hope for the best. Okay, so it's time to change and I'll get to my cycling gear. Let's go. Alright, so I'm ready with my gear, my shades on and my cycling shorts. Or yes, I need to carry some things, so I'm gonna pack them. Also a light jacket because it is cold right now. A rain jacket in case it rains.
Look at this view. Look at this view.
My wallet for sure, gloves, pump, my sun protection cap, extra carrier for the cycle, toolkit, puncture kit, electrolytes, hand sanitizer, power bank. All of this has to go on my cycle, so I'll manage. Yeah, also not to forget my GoPro attachments. So my BCW is packed, some dates for on the way. And we will have to buy some chocolates as well because sugar is energy and that is what we need right now. So let's go.
सुबह के बज चुके हैं 6 and I'm already out. As you can see, the weather is in our favor so far, but the sun is still not out, the people are not out, and it's just me going to Shanibai and वहाँ से we will be heading out. So we are targeting that 10 बजे तक हम अपनी destination पे पहुँच जाए. That means we'll have to have a very good average speed and yes, let's go. So मैं अपने पार्टनर से मिल चुका हूँ एंड वी आर ऑफ टू द डेस्टिनेशन. शानी भाई क्या लगता है क्या है हमारा टारगेट आज का? Okay, so it's the big reveal. मैंने अभी तक रिवील नहीं किया था but the destination is Gulmarg and अभी exactly 6:12 हुए हैं and what time are we targeting? 4 hours. So in around 10 is a good time that we should be there because जो टंगमर्ग से गुलमर्ग का रास्ता है it is uphill and it is apparently the most beautiful ride of Kashmir. So the challenge is to actually go to Gulmarg and then come back at the same time. So yep, let's do it.
Magam के बाद अब कुछ शुरू हो जाता है. Slowly gradient increases. That Kunzar, then Tangmarg. Tangmarg तो थोड़ा सा it is challenging क्योंकि it's not that steep.
And as you can see behind me, the sun is coming out. और आज का हमारा challenge है to beat the sun. Let's go. So we are on the way, and the board says that Gulmarg is 47 kilometers.
But हमारा दिल बोलता है कि बस 2 किलोमीटर दूर.
So far it's been an easy ride because अभी हम फिलहाल हाईवे पे ही चल रहे हैं and मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा है because it's early in the morning और yeah, let's see because हमारा जो uphill है that will only start once we enter, so let's see. So हम मागाम पहुँचे हैं और we just stopped for a cup of tea. यहाँ से चाय पी के we'll leave for टंगमर्ग, टंगमर्ग से फिर गुलमर्ग और यहाँ से अब हमारा uphill वाला gradient start हो जाएगा. So stay tuned. Cheers bro. Wow, what a tea. So हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट तो सॉर्ट हो गया, हमारी चाय और उसके साथ हमारा गिरदा. Sorted a boss.
Kashmir history.
Welcome to Kunzar. We have reached Kunzar town and यहाँ से टंगमर्ग हमें almost 1 घंटा लगेगा. But we will make a stop in between and munch on something. वो तो गए मगर हम रजिस्टर्ड नहीं होंगे. चॉकलेट है ना हेलो और अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कुछ चॉकलेट चिकन राठी पीना हेलो रट से थे 5. Welcome to Tangmarg. What an amazing view. What an amazing weather. And finally we made it to Tangmarg. यहाँ पे हम कुछ टाइम रुकेंगे, थोड़ा सा लंच ब्रेक लेंगे and then we'll head to Gulmarg, the final destination. 64 to 0 kilometers. Kashmir is 51.
Cyclist का डाइट. न्यूट्रिशन हमारा.
एक आइसक्रीम खा रहा कॉफी में. ओके सो हमने छोटा मोटा स्नैक खा लिया है और नाउ वी आर ऑफ टू गुलमर्ग. तो टंगमर्ग से अबाउट 10 kilometers, but it's an uphill climb, but a very very beautiful one. So I hope you guys enjoy this because we are having a lot of fun. So see you on the ride TC. Those people aren't ours.
See, I wasn't overselling it.
Not at all. I think you were underselling it. So it has started to rain. It's just drizzling right now. But sooner or later, it will be raining. But can the rain stop us? Not at all. Started to rain. It's raining like cats and dogs in here. But we just have about 8 kilometers to go. So in another 30 minutes we should be in Gulmarg. So अभी हमने देखा यहाँ से 3 बच्चे गए और it was really a very nice sight to see. Reminded of our childhood. We didn't come this far, but you know, with the internet and everything is very accessible. Like I don't know, you can always search and see where you can go. And अभी तो I think everything is accessible.
चाइल्डहुड से मुझे याद है, मैं बचपन में साइकिल था, मैं घर की गोल गोल चक्कर मारता था. फिर मैं थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ तो मुझे अलाउ हो गया कि मैं गली में चला सकता हूँ साइकिल. फिर मैं एक दिन निकला गली से भी बाहर हाईवे की सर्विस लेन, तो फिर मुझे लगा भाई मैंने तो क्रेजी कर लिया कुछ. ठीक है, मैं कैसे जाऊँगा, क्या बोलूँगा जब वो सुनेंगे कि मैं 100 मीटर से आगे गया था. फिर थोड़ा और बड़ा गया, घर पे गए. नेवर हैड आई एवर थॉट कि मतलब थोड़े से बड़े हो के हम गुलमर्ग तो क्वेश्चन भी नहीं था यार कि हम गुलमर्ग पहलगाम.
गुलमर्ग उस टाइम पे हमें लगता था कि गाड़ी में जाने से इट इज सो फार दैट इट वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक कि मतलब गुलमर्ग
2
जाना
दिन
है.
का सफर है.
हाँ, तो वैसा लगता था.
है ही नहीं भाई.
बट नेवर डिड वी इमेजिन बचपन में कि हम बड़े होके भी साइकिल चलाएंगे और साइकिल पे गुलमर्ग आएंगे. गुड ओल्ड टाइम्स.
Good old times, man. Sorry guys, we can't describe what we are witnessing and
We
what we are
cannot.
experiencing right
I'll
now.
just show you guys, but आप ना वो फील नहीं कर पाओगे जो हम अभी फील कर रहे हैं. Look at this view. मतलब अभी बारिश हो रही है. We're sitting here and it's just truly amazing. So guys, now you can see कि हम कहाँ हैं and the rain has stopped, so we will start moving again and yep, stay tuned. Yeah. Still 7 kilometers to go and it's raining quite heavily. I've got my rain jacket on, but the gradient is a killer. हम सिर्फ अपहिल ही जा रहे हैं और चले जा रहे हैं. And plus with the rain, it's a blessing and a challenge at the same time. But there is nothing that can stop us. Did you just hear that? That's some thundering. We have the rain, but we're still going on, still going strong, because that's what we do. How amazing this weather is, how amazing this scenery is, the sound of rain. It's just amazing. Even though this is a challenge, but we accept this challenge and we keep moving forward. So let's go.
All my rides in the last 5 years, I've couldn't come to Gulmarg. I guess this is my 5th or 6th time, but this is one of the best. I counted in my top 3 of this weather today. It's raining. मैं धूप में आया हूँ, मैं बर्फ में आया हूँ और आज मैं बारिश में आया हूँ. And it's like top 3. This is one of my best rides and I can't describe it. Okay, this is Akbar te zor uçak. Akbar'a zor gidiyor. Ne değil.
So we've just made a stop, some heavy climbing, and I think we have about 5 kilometers more. We stopped for a few minutes. Look at this view. Look at this view with the sound of thunder and rain. Can it get any better? I don't think so. Whew. Off we go again. Continue with our journey. The rain has stopped, but we ain't stopping. Let's go. Mystic. This is the beauty of Kashmir. So this is our pit stop, and we're just stopped for some lunch, and we've ordered for some rice, some carbs.
It's a good lunch.
Yes, and we actually deserve it. Fun ride, fun. The rain made it even more fun, even though it was challenging, but it was super fun.
बारिश हो रही है.
बारिश अभी भी हो रही है. I'll show you guys. Still raining, and we're here just waiting for our lunch. Super hungry though.
Very hungry man.
Very hungry. I think हमने कितने मतलब 2000 कैलोरीज बर्न की होंगी ज़्यादा.
Over 2000.
It's crazy.
Good pace.
Just we'll eat and then we'll talk.
Let's go.
And we're back again on the cycles. Lunch हो गया. We are fully loaded. और अब से start होता है हमारा downhill. Let's go.